No score here in the first period. Groulx out to Durandeau. He'll shoot one wide of the net. Jake Ryczek with it at the right point. Tried to send it down to the corner right there. Good read from Villeneuve, but it's picked off by the Mooseheads out front. A shot, they score! Marcel Barinka on the backhand. He's going to beat Boutillier. And Marcel Barinka with a big one here as he puts the Mooseheads up 1-0. Marcel Barinka getting the monkey off the back as he picks up a great one right there as he gets his team on the board. Keith Getson now will carry it in, chopped over. There's a shot, Perron scores! Xavier Perron. He'll make it a 2-0 hockey game here just moments after Marcel Barinka found the back of the net. The Mooseheads keep it rolling in the early going of this one. There on the left side. Higgins will win, or pardon me, Groulx wins it back now to McIsaac. A shot, he scores! Jared McIsaac lets it rip from the left point. And the Mooseheads with a big lead late in the first period. Now Jared McIsaac, heavy shot from the point right there. Remaining on this Mooseheads power play as Lavoie will fight his way up ahead with it. He's got it down behind the net. A bouncing puck now. This one's settled by Perron. Perron back to the left point. Ryczek snaps a shot. He scores! Jake Ryczek with a laser from the point. A power play marker for the Mooseheads. And it's 4-0 Halifax.
And again, it's the defenseman getting in on the action here for Halifax. Ryczek head up all the way as he just picks his spot and rips that one. What a great shot by
Prikryl. Barinka out through neutral ice. Good work here for Marcel Barinka, dancing his way in. Plays it over to McLeod, a shot. That one's blocked by Villeneuve. Loose in front, they score! Raphael Lavoie finishes it off. And the Mooseheads take a 5-0 lead here in the second period. Some terrific work from Marcel Barinka. And Lavoie finishes it for the Mooseheads as he picks up his 30th goal of the season.
And great work, as you said, Marcel
Gagne. Now a puck whacked out front. Durandeau with it. Groulx, a shot, he scores! Groulx will capitalize right there on costly mistake by the St. John netminder. The Mooseheads building on their big lead here late in the second period. It's 6-0 Halifax.
A tough break there for Zachary Boutillier, who
25 seconds down in this third period as Higgins will send it down into the St. John end. Gagne poking at it. Perron swings it out front for Getson. A shot, he scores. Keith Getson got that one off quick. He's going to make it 7-0 here, just 34 seconds in to this final frame.
And forcing turnovers, and Sea Dog's really going to tighten up in front of the rookie netminder here in his first game.
Antoine Morand rimming that one in. Asselin on it, out to Morand. Lavoie in tight. A shot, he scores. Raphael Lavoie on the rebound will cash that one in on Savoie. 10:45 to play as this one is worked up the right wing. Antoine Morand cutting toward the high slot. A shot, he scores. Antoine Morand, the Mooseheads captain, ripping one from the top of the slot. That'll beat Savoie. And the Mooseheads continue to pile it on here in this final period. It's 9-0 Halifax.
And that is just a bullet from the captain as Antoine Morand, with his great speed, just works his way up.
Here he'll play it over to Lawrence at the top of the right circle, and that one's broken up by Getson. Getson with a short-handed opportunity coming in on the backhand. He scores. Keith Getson strikes short-handed. It's 10-0 Halifax here in the third. .9:06 to go here, and away by Toner. Rolling puck back to the line for Cajkovic. Cajkovic down the right side toward the net. Puck is loose in front. They score. Filip Prikryl will bang that one past Cole McLaren. And a tough one right there for the Mooseheads, who see this streak of dominance snapped right there by this to McIsaac. McIsaac with it again as the Mooseheads set up here on this power play. Groulx back to McIsaac. He'll let it rip, and a shot in front. They score. Another power play marker. This time it's Arnaud. Durandeau on the rebound. Will slip that one in. And the Mooseheads again continuing to build on this big lead.
And I'm wondering, I think that you're right on Durandeau. I was just wondering if he might have slipped that over to